To change your EBT card on DoorDash, start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Payment from the menu. Next, tap Add Payment Method and select EBT card from the list of available payment options. If you already have an EBT card linked to your account, you will need to remove it first by tapping the three dots next to the card and selecting Remove. To add a new EBT card, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with your account. Once you have entered the required information, tap Add Card to save the changes. After adding the new EBT card, you will be prompted to verify the card by receiving a confirmation code sent to the phone number associated with your EBT account. Enter the confirmation code to complete the verification process. It is essential to note that you can only use your EBT card to purchase eligible food items on DoorDash. You cannot use your EBT card to pay for delivery fees, service fees, or tips. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure your EBT card is active and has sufficient funds before placing an order. You can check your EBT card balance by contacting your local EBT customer service or by visiting their website. By following these steps, you can easily change your EBT card on DoorDash and continue to use the service to purchase eligible food items. Remember to always keep your EBT card information up to date to avoid any issues with your account.